chances are Tesla stock should be much higher in 2022 than it was last year. In this video, let's talk about some of the latest Tesla news, it hitting $1,500 in 2022, some of the possible reasons behind it, and my perspective if this is the right time to buy, sell, or wait. Hi, my name is Sunny and I make videos that affect a common man financially. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to it alongside smashing that like button, as that will help me with the YouTube algorithm, which will be highly appreciated. Tesla's Q4 production numbers are out, where they have delivered 308,600 cars in 3 months, which is well above Wall Street's estimates. Just keep in mind they sold 500,000 cars last year. This all happened in the backdrop of global chip shortage that has hampered all other automakers. Never mind, a worldwide pandemic is still going on. Q4 deliveries are up 30% as compared to Q3 of 2021, whereas they have gone up 70% if you compare it with Q4 of 2020, which could be a fair comparison. On an yearly basis, they were able to boost their deliveries by almost 87%, which is 936,172 vehicles in 2021, whereas they delivered about 500,000 cars in 2020. Now, all this explosive growth by any stretch of imagination is a huge achievement. It's worth mentioning here that production on their two brand new plants in Berlin and Austin has yet not started. Just think about the growth when these two plants will start churning out cars. Now, for all those who are worried about competition, I see none at all. Tesla has got 4 fully built gigafactories, whereas competition is talking about spending billions of dollars on research and building their plants for EVs, as their bread and butter internal combustion engine business is on the decline. At the moment, Tesla stock is hovering around $1,100, while Elon Musk was selling his shareholding, which was to pay for his tax liabilities that arose while he was exercising his stock options. So naturally, there was a huge downward pressure on the stock price. It can only happen to Tesla when a major shareholder sold billions worth of stock and the stock moved slightly in percentage terms in December. Now let's explore where realistically Tesla could be in 2022. Elon has said on multiple times that he expects them to grow at an annual growth rate of about 50% for the foreseeable future. Therefore, conservatively, I think they are going to deliver about 1.5 million cars in 2022. Logically, when you make more from the same fixed assets, naturally you have got better margins as overhead per car goes down. Even if you take conservative estimate while considering no increase in margins, in my limited wisdom, I expect 36% increase from $1,100 to around $1,500, which is a realistic possibility. Just keep in mind, as we haven't even considered the savings they will get from their new battery cells, new single shot giga castings for front and the rear, not to mention the advantages being a vertically integrated automaker and direct sales to consumers where they bypass the dealers. I know these are small little items on Tesla's balance sheet, but collectively these add to company's bottom line, which will be reflected in the stock price eventually. Imagine a scenario when Tesla will dominate the EV market for years to come. No gold medal for guessing it right. Who is going to win? The Tesla shareholder. What they are building now is not just an auto company, rather a complete ecosystem like what Apple has with iPhone. It's a smart idea to sell a car, then monetize the services that come with it for the lifetime of the vehicle, whereas the conventional legacy automakers just monetize the car once. The irony is, these legacy automakers with decades of automotive experience could not see this new trend coming. In fact, they are still dismissive about what Tesla is building in plain view. Or may I say, they were too comfortable in what they were doing and could not think out of the box until Tesla turned the game upside down. At $1,100, Tesla stock might look expensive to some, but in my limited wisdom, it has just started, because think about where Elon wants to take Tesla. 10 to 20 million cars every year, which is 10x or 20x from where they are right now. Now about me. Being a long-term investor, I was still buying around $1,000 as much as I can, definitely not as much as I want to. Mark my words, you can see the writing on the wall where Tesla is going to dominate the EV market. But that is me, I might be wrong. Do your own due diligence before investing. As I'm not a financial advisor, please consult one before investing based on your personal financial situation. This is my take on the topic. Tesla $1,500 in 2022. If you like the content that I make, please help me and my channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing to it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.